Whatever your business, it will have five elements: communication, relationships, alignment, execution, and capacity. The thing is, most leaders push for results in the areas of alignment and execution. Understandably, bills need to be paid. However, most teams don't establish relational trust. The effect of that is that everyone in your team will speak, but not everyone will be heard. This leads to some staggering statistics that 82% of team members feel misunderstood or undervalued. And that results in teams functioning at less than 60% of their true potential. Imagine if your business was functioning at 20 or 30% more, how more productive would you be?
We want to help you harness this potential and to give you the opportunity for each person in your business to be able to bring their best and to think about what would it look like if every voice was truly seen, valued and appreciated. Here's the thing, when a team communicates well, everything seems to work. And team communication and psychological safety depend on each person being self-aware. Come to our workshop in July and you will leave with three things. Firstly, more effective communication strategies to improve your business alignment. Secondly, accelerated self-awareness, a fresh appreciation of what it's like on the other side of you. And this intel will help you elevate your leadership impact. And thirdly, strategies to build relational trust to increase team performance. See you in July.